Hello, listeners, viewers, and ships at sea. I'm Stan Floormachine, and if you've heard that name in recent years, it was probably associated with the words President of the DOA Broadcasting Network. And here I am out in the woods in anticipation of the upcoming holiday, camping with some people who are a lot like me and my brother. Did you get into my pictures in the office? Recently, however, on June 1st of 2023, I became president of MBC Associated Media Companies. My job title is still president, and so far I haven't been advised of any major changes in my duties. This company, however, is undergoing changes. This is due to the fact that about 6 or 9 months ago, certain stock transfers took place, which resulted in Greg and Nolan of Babylon Theater becoming the majority shareholders of DOA. In fact, they now have a controlling interest and are for all practical purposes the owners. DOA, which has never been a publicly traded corporation since it was founded by Dale and Orville Anderson, has since their tragic fall from Mount Olympus a few years ago been run by the Anderson Family Trust, the financial holding company set up by the brothers to ensure the security of their parents, their other three siblings, and their children, if I've said that all correctly. None of these people having any experience in modern media management, however, led them to the decision to invite the Babylon Theater founders, who had built their original comedy troupe into a serious comic voice in the world of independent media arts, and longtime friends of the family, to take over the running of the network before it flounders from lack of confident hands at the wheel. This long-winded introduction has only served to lead me to the purpose of my appearance before you today, which is to remove the rumors which have been running rampant in our offices for several weeks now, and which have even made it into the back pages of several industry trade papers, and to replace these rumors with some facts that have been gathered. Although we are not sure of the source and wouldn't reveal any names if we knew, it is now clear that the supposed inside information, which began appearing on internal DOA news feeds around the 1st of June, were a hoax created by persons with enough clearance to do so without being identified. These rumors were evidently intended to undermine the new regime here at the network and hamper their campaign to change the name of the company. The most entertaining of these, for me, is the sensational allegation that Babylon Theater received the stocks from the Andersons, giving them the controlling votes, for the price of, quote, $5 and a quarter pound of Afghani Primo, unquote. An official internal inquiry, moderated by Chick and Bab, Mr. Open-Minded, both of them, and featuring several security specialists from both the network and Babylon Theater, has concluded that the purported settlement price is wholly fictional. Well, holy cow. The actual sale price, says the rumor, which according to the bylaws of the company is kept secret, probably involved much more cash than $5, and almost certainly did not involve any Afghani primo. Some of the family members said they did not know what that is. But look, the Andersons from the East Bench were one of the counterculture families of Salt Lake from the early 1960s through much of the 70s. I will bet you that they all know what Afghani primo is. So, where does that take us? If you ask me, nowhere. But open-mindedness has always been taken as a point of pride at DOA. And as far as the B-boys, they want to open all our minds. So don't bogart that pipe, Bab. I'm Stanley Floormachine, and you can call me Steamer. Let's all work together to make our new MBC the best little network on the device. Thanks.
What?